Hey everybody, it's Tyler. We're at OG Gamers Live, OG Gamers World, and we're back. And if you've seen some of my posts on my other social media, you know that I MacGyvered AMD's installer packages and fixed AMD noise suppression on my RX7900XT. And because that's the system I'm on, I can't actually show you step by step how I did it, but I can show you how I did it because I'm going to MacGyver the installer packages for my 7900XTX, which is on another computer. So let's get this all brought up. And the first thing you're going to want to do is come over here, and I'll share links to this. And you're going to want to download AMD's Cleanup utility for Windows. That's the very first thing you want to get, and we're going to go ahead and do that now. And we're going to save it in our downloads. And then we want, because we know that the last version of AMD Adrenalin that AMD Noise Suppression worked in was September. We're going to come over here and we're going to get the first one in September because we know for a fact that still worked. That's 25.9.1. We're going to download that. And this works the same way for your 7900XT, but I'm doing this for the 7900XTX. You could also do this with the 9070 series cards, 9060s, and whatever. It's just a lot of work. I don't understand why AMD has not fixed this yet. It's been broken for over 4 months. And let's see, we're going to save this as AMD September 2025 version. That way, when I'm working on it later, I don't get the files confused. We're going to save that. We also want the newest version. That would be 121.26. We're going to download the Adrenaline edition for that. We're going to save that for as AMD January 2026 version. And this kind of, you can do it any way you want to. This is just how I do it. We're going to save that. And you'll need one more thing. You're going to need something like 7-zip, which I already have. I'll share a link to that in the video description below. And just to make sure that I did this right, I did. We're going to close that. And we're going to come modify our folder. Let's refresh this. This is where you need 7-zip because this is an installation file. And the built-in Windows extract all won't work on this. We're going to right click it. We're going to click show more options. And we're going to click on 7-zip. And we're going to click on extract files. And we're going to click OK. That's extracting it to the folder, the 2025 version. We're going to click on the January version. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to come down here. We're going to click on 7-zip, go to extract files. We're going to extract that. Click OK. Now, we're going to come into the AMD September 2025 version. And I've tracked this down. This where it's broke isn't where you think it's going to be. It's going to be under packages. It's going to be under drivers. Click on the display folder. Then there's going to be another folder labeled WT6A_INF. We're going to click on that. And the folder that is broken, it's a file in the AMD ANS. So we're going to copy this old version. Now we're going to come over into the 2026 version. Click on Packages, Drivers, Display, and we're looking for AMD ANS. This one right here. We're going to delete that folder. We're going to paste this folder, and then we're going to exit this. You need to run. Remember when I had you download the AMD Cleanup utility? You're going to run that one. Okay, we've started the utility and it's rebooted into safe mode. We're going to click OK here. We're going to let it do its thing. It's been a while since I've done this, but if I remember correctly, it'll reboot, and then we can reinstall the AMD Adrenalin with the modified folder in there and everything, and see if that fixes it. Okay, we're going to click Finish, and then we're going to reboot. Now we're going to run the modified installer package. And do a typical install here. So let's see how it goes. Okay, now we know. Let's restart it. We're fixing to find out if it works or not. Let everything get booted up, loaded up. Well, let's find out. Looky there. We're going to change that to the 7900 XT, and we're going to turn it on. Looky there, people. I fixed it. AMD, why haven't you done this? I'm not lying. Let me show you my version. As y'all can see, my AMD noise suppression is enabled and working and configured. Let me just come to the home, and we're going to show you the version that I'm running. I'm running the latest version of AMD Adrenelins drivers. It's 26.1.1. That's how you fix it. I don't understand why AMD themselves, they've known about this problem since day one, and they won't fix it. They have ignored the problem for literally 4 months. It's ridiculous. Shame on you, AMD. And like I said, this will work with any of your uh, AMD cards. Be it ASRock, uh, any number. If it's a AMD RX 7900XT, 7900XTX, 6700. It doesn't matter. You just do what I did. Go get the appropriate installers from the very first one in September, and then the latest one, and change the files like I showed you, and that will fix the problem. I just went ahead and MacGyvered the install packages for the 7900XTX because that's the other computer that I've got to fix. So I've got it all set up. I'll put that on a thumb drive. I'll get that other computer up and going later, and then I'll fix it on that one too. And I'll probably show you when that one's done. I'll try to record it. I do have some GoPro footage that I guess I could set in here and show you when I was doing this one. So yeah, anyway, I hope that helps somebody. If it does, click that like, that subscribe, that follow, that share. Every little bit helps the channel grow, and we appreciate it. Y'all stay safe until next time. I'm out of here.